Hey guys, just want to give you a short little update video. I did do some grinding on the seam right there and grinding on the seam over here. Got the oil pan to fit a little bit better, dropped it on the ground. So, you know, when it's in the car, we're gonna have to lift the engine and oil pan up about, you know, a ½ inch as opposed to where it's at right now, but this at least gives us a real close idea of what we're gonna do. The major obstruction is gonna be the steering box over here and the water pump housing. So we're gonna have to figure out something there. But really what we're trying to, I mean, we could, where it's at right now, we could figure it out, and we would just have to re-engineer a way to get the driver and passenger steering box arms to talk to each other over there. But I'd really love to leave all that geometry the same, since this steering box is actually known for handling pretty decent for a steering box. So I really don't want to mess with any of the geometry if I don't have to. So ideally, I'd like to take the whole engine and transmission and push it back towards the firewall a few more inches so that the link rod here fits in front of the adapter plate and is kind of in that little cavity right there. That would be perfect. So that's the pipe dream right now. I'm gonna whittle away and see if we can make that happen, and I'll update you in a little bit.